What is up, Bubble Squad? Yes, I missed a couple of videos, which is very unlike me, and I'm sure most of you didn't even notice. I hate when people like miss one video and they give this long speech and everyone's just like, I don't care, I didn't even notice. You know, today I just thought I'd do a really simple video so you can get to know me more, because I love being connected to you people in the Bubble Squad. If you're not part of the Bubble Squad, hit subscribe and comment down below #Bubble Squad so you can join this big family. I'm hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. Can we be at 1,000? That'd be pretty cool. I want to do a giveaway after. Hopefully it's before the end of 2018, because that would be cool, like in the summer or something. I believe in you. But anyway, I want you to get to know me better. So I'm gonna give you some of my favorite things, alright? Alright. And if you have the same answer for any of these, comment down below. I didn't even do any planning, okay? I'm just making this up. My all-time favorite movie is Hunger Games: Catching Fire. Yes, make fun of me. When did this come out? I think I was in like 8th grade-ish, around there. But this says something. I hate reading, but I've read all of the books 5 times. So I love Hunger Games. That's my favorite. I'm just not gonna overthink it. My favorite TV shows are The Office, 100%. That's probably my #1. I love Jane the Virgin though. I don't know if that's one I could watch over and over though. I'm currently caught up, but I love it. You know what? I'm gonna say The Office is my favorite. I also watch like Flash and Arrow and all that cool stuff. Why did I wink? I'm sorry, I'm tired. Favorite animal? If you know it, say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Red panda. They're my favorite. And if you said cat, I also love cats. So I'm definitely a cat person. I have like cat headband ears that I wear when I'm doing my makeup. But I have a black cat. His name's O'Malley, and he's just, he's like the center of my life. Favorite all-time YouTubers? I can't pick one. Jess and Gabriel and Nikki and Gabby. Favorite video game of all time is, I would just say the Call of Duty in general, because there will always be new ones and I just love me some Call of Duty. Favorite food is pasta. I just love me a good shaped noodle with a good bite. Just some red sauce, some Parmesan cheese. I could eat that every day. Some tortellini soaked in tomato sauce. Favorite makeup brand? Ooh, that's a good one. I'm gonna go with Too Faced just because their products smell good. Like, have you smelled the chocolate bar, like the peach stuff? They smell good. I mean, I love lots of other brands, but none of them smell good, so I'll just pick that one. Favorite sport? Hands down, baseball. I played softball for like 9 years, so I love baseball. Go Mariners. Favorite color? Changes, but for the previous like few years, I think it's been like a light pink, which is so unlike me. When I was like 0 to like 15, it was purple, and then for a little bit it was like blue, but then it's like that's everyone's favorite color, and then it was like yellow, but like I still kind of like yellow. I'm gonna go with light pink and light yellow. Those are pretty cute. Favorite vacation place that I've been to? Definitely Hawaii. Just kidding, Disneyland. Hawaii's pretty great though too. I didn't realize I have palm trees. There's palm trees in California too. I'm hyper. Okay, favorite candy? Everyone knows I'm a chocolate girl. I'm not kidding. I've probably had chocolate every single day for the past like 3 months. Like at least a little bit. When I go get frozen yogurt, it's like chocolate ice cream with peanut butter syrup and chocolate syrup and Reese's Pieces and peanut butter cups. I'm just a chocolate and peanut butter gal. My favorite candy? It was Peachos, but then I ate like 20 bags of them over like 3 months. So I'm done with those for a while. I don't have a favorite at the moment. I know. Favorite ice cream? Ooh. I love me some cookie dough and like anything chocolatey, but right now like cookie dough, cookie dough is always good. Favorite superhero? Spider-Man, faux shizzle. Oh, I just realized a bunch of you were gonna ask like, what's your favorite song? What's your favorite artist? What's your favorite group? What I do is I have Spotify, you know? And if I hear any song or think of any song of any genre that I like, I just add it to my Spotify, just a one big playlist. And I just shuffle all of it, you know, just things that I love. So it kind of comes from everywhere. Not country. I hate country. I hate it. I'm sorry. I can't do it, okay? They've done studies where some genres just react with people differently. And honestly, if country comes on, I just get mad. And I'm not a person who gets mad, but it just makes me angry. And I just want to leave or like, ugh, turn it off, you know? So, But I kind of like pop, alternative. Some 80s music gives me some grooves, you know? Just some like chill, laid back music. Disney music. That's where it's at. So like everywhere. It's everywhere. Favorite color of clothing? I'm gonna stick with black because, I have to be wearing black. I don't have that much black though, but it just works on everyone. Favorite item of clothing that I have is probably my jean jacket. It's this light blue wash from Forever 21 and it's worn out, it has these rips. And I just put little pins on it. I got that from my brother, that idea. I have Spider-Man, I have this cute little octopus with a heart, and this Avengers pin from my mom. And then over here is my favorite one. It says, "Be happy." That's so cute. My favorite all-time drinks, I would say, are peppermint hot chocolate from Starbucks, root beer, and my dad's take on mint juleps, non-alcoholic. It's just like, it's magic. Like, oh my god, I don't even remember. It's a lot of sugar and you like boil it in this pot, and it's lime juice concentrate, you know, in those little cans that you put in the freezer, lemon concentrate, and like creme de menthe, which is like mint syrup that you usually put in drinks. And it's just like mind-blowing. It's this bright green, oh my god, and you mix it with ice and some water because it's like a concentrate, and like, ugh, it just screams summer, and I just love summer. Favorite season, summer, hands down. Favorite school subject, ew, why am I doing that? Nope. I'd say I'm Beth at like, Beth? Who's Beth? I'd say I'm best at like health things, which is good because I want to be a nurse. So like anatomy, I took sportsman class, you know, that kind of stuff, it gets my groove on. Favorite shoes of all time, I'm a Converse girl. Gotta love my Converse. I believe I have 5 pairs and they will never go out of style. I hate, okay, probably a bunch of you are gonna jump on me for this and call me like a wannabe hipster or whatever, but I hate it when like there's a huge trend. Like 2 years ago it was white Converse. Every girl at my school had white high top Converse, but the thing is, a lot of them didn't love them. They just got them because everyone else wore them, and that just bothers me, so I refuse to get white Converse. But since I was in kindergarten, I have worn Converse, and now I have like 2 black pairs of high tops. One of them has painted Hunger Games stuff on it. I have a blue pair, a pink pair, and a silver pair, which I wore for homecoming because I'm that cool. Favorite celebrity, ooh, look at those triceps. Favorite celebrity girl is J-Law and Guy. That's such a hard decision. There's so many. Do you know what's funny? Has anyone else realized all the Chris's? Chris Hemsworth, Chris Evans, Chris Pine, Chris Pratt. I think there's one more. Chris Pratt was my favorite for a while. I'm gonna have to get back to you on that one also. Favorite dessert is chocolate mousse. Oh my god, a lot of you probably don't know what that is, but I'm rambling too much so you can look it up. Favorite hobbyto. Sounds like Hobbit, but I mean hobby. Even though I don't like the Hobbit movies, I'm sorry, but I don't. Oh, this is my whole life. Right. Favorite hobby of all my life? Got to be video games then, I suppose. And softball. That's not really a hobby though. I'm gonna end it there. So if you're new, you should check out some of my other videos, because like lighting, outfit, makeup, personality, content, So this video isn't as bad as the other ones, I promise you. Become part of the Bubble Squad, you know? I love you guys, and I always reply to all of your comments. Have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Sorry, it will not be 2 weeks again. It will be 1 week every single Saturday at 9 a.m. See you guys next time.